y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region. Welcome back to my channel. It was field day today, and it actually is the beginning, now that I'm home, of our spring break here. So to celebrate, we're gonna splurge, and it is a splurge for us. We're gonna order pizza. Woohoo! So exciting. So I don't know how long I'm going to have to do this video before everybody's home, but I am going to pot up some seedlings today. Some of my cosmos have got like second or third sets of leaves, and it is time to get them in a bigger pot. And I'm just going to use my usual garden mix soil that I make, and I'm going to add some of the seed starting soil, since I'm probably not going to be starting any more seeds for a while, and I figure that bag's open and I have a little bit of a fungal gnat issue. I just kind of want to use that soil and hopefully cure my problem, so nobody's thinking that's a great place to lay their eggs. So first things first though, I had a ton of little square pots that I've been saving over the years, and this will be perfect for them. And we've emptied one of the rolling shelf racks of our house plants, because we're pretty much not going to be in the low 40s again, I don't think, the rest of the season. So and plus they're close by the house in a very protected area, so even if it does really kind of dip below 45, I think we're going to be okay. So I am going to go ahead and use that rack to put all my little seedlings on, so I can get them some fresh air and some sunlight. And you know, it's been overcast a lot, so I'll probably start them off in overcast, and hopefully they'll transition over really well. But you know, Renee, this is really her first foray into seeds, so who knows what's going to happen. I may have made a huge error in doing that. So basically, see what not to do by watching my video. All right, let's go ahead and do that. So my battery's about to die. I have to make more soil. My husband got home, so we're gonna order some pizza, and the rest of these seedlings are just gonna have to wait until tomorrow. So I'll see you in a So here are my thoughts about growing seeds into plants. Well, first let me just say, thanks for coming along on this journey with me. Apparently, it's maybe a series of videos on no longer what not to do, but maybe some of you might feel confident enough in being able to do it, which would be so awesome. Love to hear about your successes with seeds down in the comments below, since this is my first foray, but not my last. Also, my other piece of advice is, I think I'm gonna order seeds online because I think I wanna try some weird ones next go around. Not ones that are so common that you can just find at the grocery store. That's what I'm gonna be doing next, but not this year. No. I may also use some of those trays to be maybe doing propagations through clippings and using those plug trays for that. So I might give that a whirl. maybe I'll have better success. Although I've got a pretty good going rate on my roses, for example. And, you know, I'm gonna probably gift some of these out. So there's definitely a win there for my neighbors, right? It's a lot of work. Oh my gosh, who knew? Oh. I don't even know if these that I potted up got their roots disturbed too much and if they're gonna make it. And the next thing I've learned is just because you can grow it doesn't mean you should probably grow 50 of it. I have a lot of English daisies. So we're gonna be plugging those in all over the place. The next thing is that maybe I'll start hardening off the ones under the grow lights, and then I'm just gonna pop them out and put them directly into the landscape, especially the sunflowers. I'm feeling pretty confident about those. But yeah. I noticed that the plastic on the ones that have the little domes with the lights built into it was actually a little harder to get the plants out than the Jiffy one was. The Jiffy one, I just popped the knife in, popped right out. I'm sure there's a tool that I'm supposed to be using to pluck those out of the plug trays, but hey, we're on a budget, right? All right, so I hope you're able to go out and make something beautiful in your world today. And until the next one, bye y'all.